what does the word perimeter mean? Perimeter means the distance around the outside of a figure. Today, we're going to look at measuring the length of the perimeter of a 2D shape. So let's look at the square that you see. If I asked you to find the perimeter of the square that we see, what are we going to do first? Let's look at it together. The first thing I want you to notice that's special about the square is that all four of the sides are the same length. They are all 2 inches long. Why is that? Well, we know that a square has 4 equal pieces. All the lengths are the same. So let's find the perimeter of this square. I'm going to start by measuring 2 inches plus 2 inches. I'm going to add these together and I'm going to get 4 inches. Now I'm going to add the second set of numbers. 2 inches plus 2 inches to be equal to 4. And I can add those pieces together, and 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 inches. Now we can also count by twos to check our work to make sure we did it correctly. Let's do that. 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 more is 6, and 2 more is 8. Good job. Let's do another one together. Look at this rectangle. It also has 4 different numbers that we see. And when we look at it, we see that the rectangle has 2 6s and 2 1s. Why is that? Well, that's because we know that a rectangle has a long side and 2 short sides. So 2 long pieces and 2 short pieces, okay, that are equal. I'm going to always start, for me, that makes it easier, I'm going to start by adding the numbers that are the same. So I'm going to start by adding 6 plus 6. And I'm going to get 12. And I'm going to add my second set of numbers, 1 plus 1 to be equal to 2. And now I'm going to add those lengths together. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 inches. All right, moving on. Look at this shape. Let's see how many sides this shape has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do we call a 6-sided figure? Do you remember? That's right, we call a 6-sided figure a hexagon. Now, even though it has 6 sides, we're still going to measure the perimeter the same way. I'm just going to start by adding 2 of the numbers together. In this case, we're going to be adding 3s. So I'm going to start by saying 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. I'm going to do it again. 3 plus 3 again is also equal to 6, and 3 plus 3 is also equal to 6. But we're not done yet. Now we have to take those lengths and add them all together to find the perimeter. Now I know that 6 plus 6 is going to be equal to 12. And now I can take this number 12, and I'm going to stack my numbers, and I'm going to add 6 to it. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And 1 plus 0 is 1, and I get my answer to be 18 inches. Could we also just count by 3s all the way around our shape? Let's see if we get the same answer. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Yep, it works. Okay. I have another one for us to look at together. Look at this shape. This shape is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's a 5-sided figure called? Do you remember? Our 5-sided figure is called a pentagon. We're going to find the perimeter the same way. Okay? I'm going to start by looking. And I'm going to start at the top, and I'm going to add my 5 plus my 4. And I'm going to get 9. Okay? 3 and 3 to get 6, and then I just have my 4 inches over here. Okay, so before I'm going to do that, I'm going to add 9 plus 6, and I'm going to get 15. Then I'm going to take this number 15, and I still need to add this 4 in. So I'm going to add 15 plus 4. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 1 plus 0 is 1. And I'm going to get my total to be 19 inches. Now that was a lot of work for me to be able to figure out the perimeter. You're gonna have to show your work by writing down your equations and adding up your numbers. I have one more for us today. Look at the triangle. There's just 3 sides for my triangle. Okay, I do see 2 of my sides to be equal, so I'm gonna start with those first, okay? Because I know my double facts. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. And now all I have to do is add in my third side. So 12 plus 7, 2 plus 7 is 9, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So our answer is 19 inches. And there, my friends, we have learned how to find the perimeter of shapes. Go practice and have some fun.